Hey, it's Angela from the blog Angela Marie Made. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 10 DIY bathroom decor ideas and hacks. So I've completed 4 DIY bathroom makeovers, all on a budget, and I'm currently working on my 5th bathroom makeover for our guest bathroom. After doing all of these makeovers, I have found some things that are really helpful in making the bathroom look both good and functional. Before we get started though, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along. I share new fun DIY and decor videos every week here on the channel. You can also follow me at Angela Marie Made on Instagram. Number 1 is to update ugly wire shelving or any kind of old outdated shelves with pretty shelves. Or if you don't have any kind of shelving, install floating shelves. In our current master bathroom, we had this recessed nook area with the ugly wire shelving that comes with most houses, and I couldn't stand it. It was really ugly to look at, although the shelves themselves were very functional. So I decided to make it a focal feature of the room, and I took the ugly wire shelving out and installed custom built-in shelves along with a cabinet, and I added crown molding to it just to complete that whole beautiful custom look, and I painted it a beautiful blue-gray color. It looked so pretty and it holds all of our bathroom storage and I love it. I have a full tutorial linked below on my blog on how you can do this if you have something similar. If you don't want to do custom built-in shelves, another option is just to install really pretty wood shelves that are totally open. I did this actually in our pantry makeover where we had the wire shelves, and I just took them down and replaced them with some simple wood shelves, and it looked really beautiful. I have a video tutorial for that, which I'll link below. Another option to add pretty shelves if you don't want to do any kind of built-in shelving is just to add really cute floating shelves. This is a really easy way to add beautiful and functional storage to your space. I've added floating shelves in several of our bathroom makeovers. They're really easy to do. There's all different kind of design options you can do. Number 2. This one is really simple. Just change the knobs out on your bathroom vanity or any of the cabinets in your bathroom. Often on outdated vanities or a standard vanity that comes from the home improvement store or online, the hardware isn't much to be desired. In my very first bathroom makeover, I actually didn't even change the knobs. I just spray painted them. They were a brushed nickel, which I couldn't stand, and I just had some oil rubbed bronze spray paint on hand, and I transformed them easily on a budget along with the rest of the hardware in the room. In our current master bath, we bought a brand new vanity, which was beautiful, but the knobs that came with it, again, they were like a chrome or a brushed nickel, and it didn't go with the brass color fixtures that I was using in the rest of the room. So I took the old ones off, and I did have to drill new holes, but I installed a new cup style pull, which looked beautiful, and it covered the old holes. I found them really cheap on Amazon. I'll link them below. Also, I have a whole section in my Amazon storefront on knobs and hardware that I found on Amazon that I love and have personally used in my home, so make sure to check that out as well. Number 3, paint your old outdated tile floor. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to transform a bathroom and really make your flooring complement and go with the rest of the decor in your space. The first time I painted floor tile was for our $100 budget bathroom makeover. It worked really well, and I was able to update the flooring on a budget, and there are actual floor tile paints that you can buy for this specific purpose. I have a how to paint floor tile video tutorial, which I'll link below. Number 4, paint your bathroom vanity. This is another great way to use paint to transform your space on a budget, and it's really easy to do as well. If you don't have the budget to update your bathroom vanity, just giving it a fresh coat of paint can bring a whole new life to it, and you can paint it any color you want. For our $100 budget bathroom makeover, we had this really dingy white bathroom vanity, but I painted it with a fresh, fun new blue color, and I love how it turned out, especially with some new knobs. Painting your vanity can just give your bathroom a whole new fresh look. I'll link my tutorial on how to paint a bathroom vanity below this video. Number 5, build a bathroom vanity. Okay, so a bathroom vanity is such a main focal feature of any bathroom makeover or bathroom decor. And if you don't have the budget for a new bathroom vanity, or you just don't like your old one and a coat of paint isn't gonna do the trick for you, well, consider building one. There are a ton of DIY bathroom vanity tutorials out there online, from really simple to more sophisticated, and it's a really fun way to update your space. Bathroom vanities, especially all wood vanities, can be really expensive. So if you build one out of wood, then you can get a custom built beautiful wood vanity for your bathroom, and it'll be a fraction of the cost of, or even less than what it would be to buy a real wood bathroom vanity. Currently, for our guest bathroom in this house, I am building a new DIY bathroom vanity. It's going to be stained wood again. I'm really excited about it. We're literally making it this week, and I hope it turns out like I'm envisioning, but I will definitely be sharing a video tutorial and build plans for that as well. Number 6, update your lighting and your light bulb. Updating your lighting is another easy way to transform your space and really enhance the decor. It doesn't have to be an expensive light fixture. My favorite source for budget-friendly and cute light fixtures is Amazon. I have several linked in my storefront, which I'll link below. In every bathroom makeover that I've done so far, I have updated the light fixture, and they've all been really budget-friendly fixtures, and it just looks so good. Besides updating your light fixture though, an often forgotten about feature of the room, which can really enhance the final look of your room, is the light bulb. If your light bulb is exposed, I would recommend getting one of those really pretty clear light bulbs. You can do the Edison style, or there's the round clear light bulbs. They just look a lot better, and they don't distract from the rest of the decor like those outdated old white light bulbs do. Another important feature of your light bulb is to pay attention to the light color. For bathrooms, especially bathrooms that don't have any natural light, I really love using a light bulb that has about 800 lumens, and the Kelvin color setting is around 3000 K. A light bulb that has these features really provides a clean and inviting color to the space. It's not too cold and not too warm. I'll link my favorite clear light bulb that has these features below in the description box. Number 7, use some element of wood to warm up your bathroom. By adding wood decor to your bathroom, it can really warm the space up and make it feel more inviting, especially in a room like a bathroom that can feel more cold. There are so many ways you can do this with the decor. One of the simplest ways is just adding some picture frames that are wood and adding some beautiful art to them for your walls. Another way is through the shelving, like we talked about in number 1, through floating shelves or adding some brackets with a piece of wood on top of it. Another fun way to do this is by adding a wood mirror over the sink. I love wood mirrors, and I actually made a round one for our first bathroom makeover, but you can easily buy these wood mirrors today and they look so good. Number 8, add an accent wall or a wall treatment or some kind of wainscoting to your bathroom walls. Adding a wall treatment is a really great way to add character to your space and really help to transform the style and feel of the room. For 4 out of our 5 bathroom makeovers, I've added a wainscoting treatment, which is basically just a wall treatment halfway up the wall. I've done DIY board and batten, DIY beadboard, DIY picture frame molding, and most recently, DIY vertical shiplap. I have tutorials for all of these treatments below, which I will link in the description box. The really fun thing about wainscotings and wall treatments is that you can mix it up and do a fun color. You don't always have to do white on the bottom and a color on top. Although I have done that, I really love to put a color on the bottom and then white on the top, but you could also do a fun wallpaper treatment as well on the top, which looks great too. Number 9, add taller baseboards. If you don't want to add a whole wall treatment or even an accent wall, Another great update to your bathroom decor is replacing your old standard baseboards with taller baseboards. It's really easy to replace a baseboard. You just use a utility knife and square the caulk line and then remove it with a pry bar. Then cut your new baseboards to size and install them with nails into the wall studs. Then add fresh caulk and fresh paint. By adding a 5-inch tall or even taller baseboard, it really adds a custom look to the bathroom and a ton of character. Number 10, hang your shower curtain up as high as you can. Just with curtains, if you hang a shower curtain up high and close to the ceiling, it's going to visually make the room feel bigger and taller. This is a great hack for smaller bathrooms, but it looks great in larger bathrooms as well. In our current bathroom makeover that we're working on, I found a really great budget-friendly shower curtain that's 84 inches long on Amazon. I'll link it below, but I love how it looks. Well, that's it for my 10 DIY bathroom decor ideas and hacks. I hope you enjoyed these and that they're helpful for you if you're just updating your bathroom or giving it a full makeover. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along. I'll be sharing my full bathroom makeover reveal next week, and I'm super excited about it. Thank you so much for watching.